Hello kids, welcome back to the class of General Knowledge part 6 and we're back again with a new chapter in this new video today. So let's start. Chapter number 26, the Indian subcontinent. Right kids? Let's start. Fill in the blanks with the help of the help list. तो नीचे दिए गए कुछ ऐसे क्लूज हैं जिनके ब्लैंक्स को हमें हेल्प लिस्ट की मदद से फिल करना है. Let's start. So number 1 is it is the largest country in terms of area. तो इंडिया जो है वो कौन से नंबर की लार्जेस्ट कंट्री है अपने एरिया के मामले में? अगर हम एरिया के थ्रू देखें तो well it is yes India is the 7th largest country in the world. So हम यहाँ लिखेंगे 7th, right? इंडिया एशिया का ही एक देश है, एशिया एक कॉन्टिनेंट है. Right kids? Now number 2 is India ranks dash largest country in terms of population. So population के मामले में इंडिया का कौन सा पोजीशन है kids? Well, India is the first largest country in terms of population. Right? So we'll write over here first. Right kids? So before that, China was the country which was the largest country in terms of population. And then with the latest survey, or you can say ratio, we have come to know that India is now the first most populated country in the world. Now, number 3 is India contains dash of the total population of the world. तो इंडिया में क्या है पूरी population का? It is 1/6 population. Right kids? मतलब दुनिया की 1/6 population इंडिया में ही रहती है. So we'll write 1/6. Number 4. The dash are the highest mountains of the world. ये जो वर्ल्ड के ये हाईएस्ट माउंटेन्स हैं और ये नदर्न बाउंड्री ऑफ इंडिया में सिचुएटेड है. नदर्न मीन्स टॉप मोस्ट यानी कि ऊपर की साइड पे. राइट? इफ दिस इज इंडिया तो इंडिया का ये है नदर्न मोस्ट पार्ट जहाँ पर ये सिचुएटेड है और ये है हिमालयाज. Right? So we'll write over here the Himalayas. Right kids? Alright. Now number 5. The Himalayas consist of 3 parallel mountain ranges. So Himalayas में 3 parallel mountain ranges है. First है Greater Himalayas, फिर है Lesser Himalayas, and then the last one is, that's correct, that is the Outer Himalayas. Right kids? So we'll write the Outer Himalayas. Now let's see. Let me answer. The southern part of the Goa. गोवा का जो southern part है, गोवा से लेकर कन्याकुमारी, उसे क्या कहा जाता है? Well kids, आप इसका आंसर सोचकर बताइए. Right? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Number 6 is the dash from the largest lowland drained by river Ganga and its tributaries. Right kids? So what is the answer over here? The answer is Ganga Plains. Right kids? So we'll write over here Ganga Plains. Number 7. The Great Peninsular Plateau consists of Eastern Ghats. So जो Great Peninsular Plateau है उसमें Eastern Ghat और कौन से घाट्स आते हैं? Western Ghat. So Eastern Ghat and the answer over here is Western Ghats. Now number 8. The northwestern region of the Deccan Plateau is covered by nearly horizontal sheet of lava called. So kids, जो हमारा नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न रीजन है डेक्कन प्लेट्यू का, वो नियरली हॉरिजॉन्टल शीट ऑफ लावा से कवर्ड है. लावा मतलब आग से बना हुआ. So उसका नाम क्या है kids? It is, that's correct kids, इसका right answer है Deccan Trap Region. So we'll write DECCAN TRAP Trap REGION Region. Right? Number 9. The northern part of the Gujarat to Goa is called. तो गुजरात से लेकर गोवा तक का जो northern part है उसको क्या कहा जाता है? It is called the Konkan Coast. So we'll write Konkan Coast. So with this, kids, we are done with another chapter of General Knowledge Part 6. We will be back again with a new chapter in a new video. Till then, bye-bye, take care and thank you, kids.